Question 7. Find the perimeter of the rhombus ABCD. So A to C is 10, which means they are 5 each. And then B to D is 20. So these two are also equal in length, so they must be 10 each. Well, they just want the perimeter of this rhombus, so all of these are going to be the same. Right, so I can just take out one of the triangle, but will be a right triangle. And then we can use the Pythagorean equation. 10 squared plus 5 squared equals to x squared. 100 plus 25 equals to x squared. 125 equals to x squared. And then we square with both sides to get x equals 11.2. So the perimeter of the rhombus is just 4x. We just figure out x equals to 11.2. So we just multiply with the calculator. We get 44.7 centimeter. So I got 44.7 because I kept all the decimals on my calculator. If you didn't keep all the decimals, you'll get 44.8. But I think you're supposed to keep all the decimals because now you're in grade 8, you're in high school already. So moving on to question 8. Find the radius of the circle if AB equals to 7 and BC equals to 12. So what we can do is we can find this diameter. We can say 7 squared plus 12 squared equals to d squared. So 7 squared plus 12 squared is 193 equals to d squared, and then we square with both sides. We get d equals 13.9. So the radius is going to be 13.9 divided by 2. Radius equals, so again on the calculator, I'm just keeping all the decimals, and I get 6.9 centimeter. Question 9. Find the distance from A to B with side length 5. So all of these are 5. We can first take out this standing triangle that also contains the point A and B. We know that this is 5. I will call this x and I will call this y. So x is ultimately what we're trying to find. And then I'll also take out this bottom triangle that is flat. So take it out here. This is 5, this is 5, right? That's 5, that's 5. And this would be y. That's the y, right? All right, so now I can find y first. I can say 5 squared plus 5 squared equals to y squared. So 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 equals to y squared, and then we square with both sides. We get y equals 7.1. Now I can go back to the purple triangle. I have y squared plus 5 squared equals to x squared. Well, we already have y squared, right? If you recall, y squared is just 50. It's right here. So I can just replace that by 50 instead of using 7.1. It's easier. Plus 5 squared is 25 equals to x squared. So now we have 75 equals to x squared. And we can square with both sides to get x equals 8.7. So now we can answer the question. We can say AB equals to 8.7 centimeter. Moving on to question 10. So this one is very similar to question 9. We need to first take this standing triangle out, the pink one. This is 4. This is from A to B. We'll label this as X, we'll label that as Y. And then we need to take the bottom triangle, the one that is flat on the base here. So that's 8, that's 6, this is Y. So now we can find Y. 8 squared plus 6 squared equals to Y squared. 64 plus 36 equals to Y squared. 100 equals to Y squared. We square with both sides, we get Y equals to 10. So this Y equals to 10. Now we can say 10 squared plus 4 squared equals to X squared. 100 plus 16 equals to X squared. 116 equals to X squared. Square with both sides, we get X equals 10.8. And that's the answer. AB equals to 10.8 centimeter. Question 11. Find the length from A to B. We'll call that X, and then I'll call this A and B. So first, from this little right triangle here, we can say 3 squared plus 4 squared equals to A squared. So 9 plus 16 equals to A squared. 25 equals to A squared. We square with both sides to get A equals to 5. So this is now 5. And then I can focus on this little triangle here. 12 squared plus 9 squared equals to B squared. 12 squared plus 9 squared is 225 equals to B squared. So we square with both sides to get B equals to 15. So this is now 15. Now we can say that 5 squared plus 15 squared, I'm just focusing on the last right triangle, equals to X squared. 5 squared plus 15 squared is 250. So 250 equals to X squared. And then square with both sides, we get X equals 15.8. So now we can say AB equals to 15.8 centimeter. And the last question is question 12. So this is just another 3-dimensional problem. 25, 15, 17, X. So we are trying to find X here. So we can first look at this pink triangle. We can say that 15 squared plus, I'll call this A. So A squared equals to 25 squared. A squared equals to 25 squared minus 15 squared. A squared equals 25 squared minus 15 squared. Just type that into the calculator and I get 400. Now we square with both sides to get A equals to 20. So this A is 20. Now I can look at the green triangle. This is also a 90 degree and I'll call this B. So we have B squared plus 15 squared equals to 17 squared. B squared equals to 17 squared minus 15 squared. B squared equals 17 squared minus 15 squared is 64. Square with both sides to get B equals to 8. Finally, we can look at the bottom triangle. The bottom triangle, we have 20 squared plus 8 squared equals to X squared. So this is 20 squared plus 8 squared. We get 464 equals to X squared. And then we square with both sides to get X equals 21.5. And that's the answer. X equals to 21.5 centimeter. Okay, that's it for the word problems. I will see you in the next video to go over question 13.